Okay, video 2 on this mess of a Buick. I've been trimming out my new quarter panel, and I've trimmed out a lot of the metal off of this car. A lot of this is making decisions on where best to cut it at and put it back together. I look for things that are hard points, that are givens on both parts. Even this hole right here, I will try to, when I cut my other part, I'll leave that hole there and line that up. How I'm going to do this is going to be tough on this outer. I did leave the whole dog leg all the way down to there, so I know if nothing else I can line it up down to that. But all this will be factory spot welds that I'll go to. The way that I've cut my frame, I've got the, or sub, whatever you want to call that, the unibody part. I've got it cut on my new part in the same location. This will be a good hard point to line up with. See how I left that dog leg on there? I will take this metal off and run those new braces into there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the hole that I'll help to use to line up with. Man, there's no real way to learn this other than learn as you go. See, I've got that whole back piece. I drilled out all the spot welds, and that'll line up to this. Once again, I'll screw it together first. Get it to where my trunk lid shuts. And when everything lines up well, the back door shuts good. At that point, I'll start welding it together. There's the new subframe that goes to it. What another big money facility. You know, I had this car towed over here because I didn't realize that it was bent as bad as it was from that garage. Like I said, I bought the car for scrap iron, so I'm still sitting really good in this car. And I'm pretty sure I'll make it go. I know I'll be able to weld it together and everything like that. I do have a lot of airbag stuff that I'm not real familiar with, that I'm being real careful with. I'll leave the battery disconnected the whole time I'm welding. You don't want to weld with cars with airbags. Stuff like that. Sometimes the spark will cause them to blow up, I hear. I chopped pieces of metal off in small sections. You know, it just kind of gave me an idea how it comes apart. Learning as I go. I'll work on it until I get a little bit tired. I'll get one little area cut to where I think it matches up with the other part. And then I'll look at the next part that I want to line up. I'll kind of rest a little bit before I start cutting on it, because you can really only cut it once. And make a decision on how best to cut it, how best to separate it. Come back out, tackle that one thing at a time. Slowly but surely I'm getting there. I couldn't possibly take all this on at once and know, yeah, I'm cutting this here and cutting this there. It's all been just to learn a little bit as I go. And the big secret is, like I said, I look for the hard points that I can use to line up the new part with. Even this, you know, like I said, that will touch the inside edge of the over here. Be nice if I could start screwing it together tonight. Once I start screwing it together, it'll look like a regular car again, and maybe the city won't have a cow if they see me. They'd throw me in jail. Probably say I was running a chop shop. I'd be about the dumbest thief there ever was, stealing cars like this and cutting them up. But anyway, hopefully tonight or maybe tomorrow, I'll get it looking like a car again. We're close. Thanks for watching.